Take the bobbin thread and you put it through the needle reverse from the way you would normally do it. So if you thread it front to back normally, you would thread your needle back to front. You're going to follow the entire threading path in reverse of how you normally thread it. So you go through all of your normal thread guides, so that when you're done and you have it completely threaded, you can follow the thread from the spool end and it will be threaded just like normal, but with the bobbin thread. And you need to make sure that you have enough thread pulled out at the top here to sew your entire dart. So double check and make sure that the thread goes the way you would normally thread your machine through the needle and disappears into the bobbin case below here. And then to sew, I'm just going to show you on a scrap of fabric. You would sew your dart like normal, but do not backstitch at the point. The point is where you're going to start. Start right on the fold of the fabric. That's going to give you the best finish. When you get to the seam allowance, you can back tack there. It won't show. And you don't need to finish off the thread at all at the point of the dart because there are no ends. It's just one continuous length of thread.